Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a page into a fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to expand your existing forms with additional sections or information without starting from scratch. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll find your most recently accessed documents, making it quick to locate the fillable PDF form you want to modify. Go ahead and select the file you want to add a page to. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various tools for managing your PDF. Click on Organize Pages. This tool gives you full control over the structure of your document, allowing you to rearrange, delete, or add pages as needed. In the left panel, you'll see several options for managing your pages. Click on Insert. This is the key feature that lets you add new content to your existing PDF form. You'll be presented with different insertion options depending on what type of page you want to add. Now, select your preferred option based on what you need. If you want to add another PDF file into your current document, choose from File. This will open a file browser where you can select your PDF file. Once you've located it, click Open and it will be ready to insert into your form. Alternatively, if you want to add a blank page instead, click Blank Page. This is perfect when you need to create space for new form fields or additional content. After selecting Blank Page, navigate to the Location section. Here, click the drop-down menu right beside it to specify exactly where you want this page placed. You can select whether you want it inserted after or before a specific page in your document. Next, navigate to the Page section. Here, click the circle beside either first or last, depending on where you want your new page positioned. If you're adding it at the beginning of your document, select First. If it needs to go at the end, select Last. Choose your preferred option based on your form structure. Once you've configured all your settings, click OK. Adobe Acrobat will now process your request and insert the page into your fillable PDF form. Give it a moment to complete this action. Finally, to preserve all the changes you've just made, navigate to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This ensures that your newly added page becomes a permanent part of your fillable PDF form. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page to your fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.